Hi, I'm John Pennington, CEO and founder of Rfider Limited. We're a software company passionate not only about supply chains, but also helping the food industry create safer, more sustainable food supplies. Rfider attracts innovative thinkers from diverse backgrounds who love collaborating on complex problems and coming up with new solutions which can be easily adopted. And the supply chain is certainly one area where there's a lot of problems to solve. Collecting and sharing records along the supply chain has simply been too time-consuming, costly, and error-prone, and too difficult. We went back to the drawing board to address each of these barriers and have engineered a whole new platform with new tools to make collecting and safely sharing data a lot more efficiently. And we've also allowed that data to be surfaced easily for competitive advantage. And with the Rfider platform and nearly any mobile device with a camera, data can be collected, secured, and selectively shared with exactly who needs to see it. And when it comes to recalls and product alerts, that's just done in a couple of clicks. So how did we meet the FDA's challenge criteria? Well, firstly, we've made collecting data a lot faster and a lot easier. We've put tools into the hands of field services workers to allow them to collect that information. And because we've developed a platform from the ground up, we've made it easy to implement, and it can be up and running and used by small to medium businesses without IT staff. And we've also made Rfider very cost effective. It's available as a monthly subscription, and because it's easy to set up, the setup fees are, well, they're low. Our software is super easy to configure. We've developed a web interface that allows you to configure your collection activities in a very, very easy, intuitive way. We've developed out-of-the-box mobile-first tools to make the data collection really easily done. And last but not least, we've made it easy to integrate Rfider into your existing systems of record, whether that's a simple spreadsheet or even a connection into IBM's Food Trust blockchain ecosystem. And because we run in the cloud, scalability and availability is never an issue. And really, let's not forget about the consumer. Rfider makes it easy to collect and share all of that detailed information back to consumers and allows them to get real-time updates such as your product alerts, all within an intuitive interface which doesn't require an app download and can be accessed via your browser. Well, thank you for this opportunity to share the Rfider platform with you, and we look forward to talking with you in the future and hope you enjoy our solution video. Thank you. Value is created as food products move along the supply chain from paddock to plate. Literally hundreds of tasks are carried out in a product's journey, and the data from these come together to form the unique story and history behind every item we consume. Now, this story is so important for so many reasons, from safety, incident response, to reducing waste and maintaining trust in our food supply. But collecting and sharing this information, as we all know, is a major challenge. The team and I here at Rfider are on a mission to address these challenges and allow food producers of all sizes to compete on traceability. So let's get started. We're developing modern tools to make collecting the traceability event data quick and easy. We've also developed a sophisticated data sharing and collaboration framework. And last but not least, we've made it easy to share these item histories with consumers in very meaningful ways. Let's take a quick platform tour to show you just how easy it is for time-poor and resource-constrained producers and other supply chain participants to collect and manage their traceability data using the Rfider platform. With our administrative portal, producers can set up and manage their product traceability and digital experience requirements. It has an intuitive interface that allows the easy setup and configuration of supply chains for products, including any traceability data requirements and data capture tasks along the way. These tasks will be presented to team members at the right place and right time via Rfider's mobile app and stored in the Rfider platform when completed. The platform is also suitable for managing any automated event data that a larger producer may use, such as cold store data from IoT sensors or RFID tag scan when a product may enter or leave a warehouse, for example. The Rfider solution comes with a mobile app. This is a really powerful field services tool which can do a lot of the heavy lifting when it comes to getting tasks done and capturing better quality data faster. We call it FS1. FS1 instantly identifies products through either NFC, barcodes and QR codes and presents users with the tasks that are relevant for a product at any given step in the supply chain. It's secure, easy to use, requires no training, is multi-language, and comes with a catalog of food traceability tasks. Bespoke tasks can be configured in the portal and also made available across the supply chain to team members. But when you're collecting so much data, you also want to make sure that you're managing in ways that are compliant and also efficient. All data stored in the Rfider platform is stored with bank-level security and encryption standards. Rfider also allows different event types to be retained for different periods of time, depending on regulation and other requirements. Administrators can also configure webhooks to share events with other systems if required, and we also have some really easy-to-use download features. By providing the tools to tell the unique story behind every item produced, we're allowing producers to reconnect with consumers and meet the market's growing demand for greater transparency. With the Rfider platform, consumers can retrace products' unique journeys, view select traceability data, perform real-time checks for recalls, and generally make better usage decisions, all without the need for an app or any coding, just a scan of a QR code with their smartphone camera. They can also view certified carbon emissions for transportation of the brand in hand from source, allowing them to make even more sustainable choices. We are passionate about and committed to creating a safe and scalable food supply for today and generations to come. To make this a reality, we'll continue to provide our powerful cloud-based tools at a price point accessible to businesses of any size, and to allow costs to be distributed fairly across the supply chain. Welcome to a smarter food supply chain where traceability meets experience. We hope you've enjoyed this quick introduction to our platform.